What equipment is needed to open a 1.2-meter tank with a budget of more than 2,000 yuan? The fish tank is 120 by 50 by 30. The filter barrel is 15 liters stainless steel. The water inlet and outlet are also equipped with stainless steel. The water pump chosen is the Kuyu 2500 DC variable frequency model. Add a pure black background paper. Use this 1/4-inch pipe, a quick connection, very easy to maintain. The filter material is currently the cheapest. Not a wise choice though. Paste background paper and spray a little more water to help. Put in filter material. Remember to put a layer of filter cloth on top. Secure the water pump. Ouch! Not plan the height well. What a tragedy! Fortunately, it can be dismantled. Lesson: should be appropriate to reserve 60 centimeters. The installation is complete. Let's see how it goes. Equipped with 2 LED lights, 72-watt monochrome lamp. Beautiful stream stones and stream sand collected from the wild. Just prepare a pair of hands that are good at landscaping and you're done. Let's see the final effect.